Hey guys, it's Rachel. I'm at the beach and this is the coffee maker that we have here at the beach, and it comes with that insert, and thankfully it has its own not really sure why that connects like that, but it does. It has its own filter, which is really nice because at the beach you never know what size filters to buy. And I'm gonna use this Gevalia Majestic Roast Arabica coffee. It smells amazing. Nothing like the smell of coffee in the morning. Okay, so we've got a brew now, we've got a brew later, and then it looks like you can check this if you like it extra strong, and then you got your hours and your minutes. This is how we're gonna finish. Okay, it's finished brewing. Let's see how we did. It's pretty good. Cheers.